Hi, my name is Lee Lucas. I'm Senior Project Manager for Volpe Enterprises. This project here, we are basically doing a new addition on top of a garage and a family room on the first floor. So the configuration of this addition, we have a closet here. We have a little extra storage space behind the closet. This will be the main bedroom. And over here we have a little sitting room right off the bedroom. No doors, wide open. You can walk right on that. One of the most challenging parts of this addition was ripping off the roof.
This right here is part of the old truss. So we had to slide these 40-foot land beams in while the roof was still on. We attached the truss to the land beam, which now is holding the drywall on the first floor. Then we were able to rip the rest of the truss, the roof, and everything off, and then build from there. Some people will tell you that you can't do an addition like this, that you have to take the whole first floor ceiling out, drywall and all, to build up. But what we did was save the client $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 by salvaging that first floor ceiling and being able to build straight up.
Another challenging part of this project was, you can see this stack pipe here. It was in the middle of the whole room. So we had to cut it, reroute it perfectly through this wall, up into the new attic, and then over and out the roof. So that was a little bit challenging, but we got it done. I'm excited to complete this project for this client. If you guys need any kind of interior or exterior renovations, please feel free to reach out.